right, guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome back. I am, going to do a unboxing and a quick review, quick flight video of the Horizon Hobby Eflite Blade 230S. It's the version 2. Surprisingly, there is not a whole lot of videos of this thing on YouTube, so I thought I might give this a shot and see what happens. All right, let's unbox this thing. All right, looks like some instructions right off the top. All right, there it is. I'll go ahead and flip this box around so we can see what we got. All right, so obviously there's the 230S version 2. Comes with a controller. This is the ready to fly model. Looks like a battery. This is a 3S battery, 11.1 volt, 800 milliamp battery for that. Some looks like batteries for the controller. And what do we got here? I just assume that this is a charger. It is. So you can plug this thing into the wall, and it looks like it probably goes into here. Yep. And I would assume your battery goes into there, and it charges. So if you are into the hobby and have other chargers, of course you could plug that into your charger and do it fast, which is what I'll be doing eventually. All right, let's go ahead and look at the aircraft. All right, here it is out of the box. Here's the propeller holder or guard. Looks pretty cool. If we get down low, we can see it's a really cool colored canopy. The blades are pretty nice. What I like about this, one thing that they talked about is that they started doing the orange color scheme, so it's easier to see in the sky. So we'll obviously, we'll of course test that theory a little bit later today. All right, we're going to go ahead and take the canopy off. It's just these couple tabs on each side, so we can see what it looks like inside. All right, here it goes. And there's what it looks like. If we zoom in a little bit, here's your main gear. Servos here, ESC is down below. It's kind of hard to see. Actually, that's probably the receiver. Servos are up here. And the ESC, we'll go ahead and rotate it around and see what happens. It's here somewhere. It's probably real small. Oh, it's actually, I think, buried down below here. But anyway, this is what the inside of the helicopter looks like. So it's actually pretty cool. Here's a swash plate. And again, and then the rear motor is these are brushless motors. That's a brushless motor there for the rear rotor. And right in here is one. You can't see it, but it's pretty cool. It's a brushless motor for this guy.